And now, of course, it's time to, well, get on with a wonderfully inspirational story. A major US chip giant is doubling down on India. And this move could reshape the country's semiconductor future, because this does not seem like just another tech investment. Karnataka has cleared around 140 acres of land in Bengaluru. This land is for Applied Materials, one of the world's biggest semiconductor equipment companies. The company builds the machines that actually make the chips. Now, this is, of course, vital. Applied Materials is not a chip maker like Intel or TSMC. It resides deeper in the value chain. It supplies critical fabrication equipment used in advanced nodes like 5nm and 3 nanometer, which means this investment targets the very foundation of chip manufacturing. An interesting factor, which of course distinguishes this development, is this facility is expected to support R&D, engineering and advanced manufacturing capabilities, not just assembly, outsourcing, which of course makes this a high-value semiconductor mechanism moving into India. And this of course realigns things, because India has been trying to build a semiconductor ecosystem, from design to fabrication to packaging, and equipment players like Applied Materials are critical for that very puzzle. Without them, fabs cannot scale. The most significant aspect of this is how it actually positions India. Countries like the United States, Taiwan and South Korea dominate this space, as we know. Companies like ASML and Lam Research control key technologies. India entering this layer signals long-term ambition and, of course, serious capability building. But as always, here is something to think about. The global chip supply chain is shifting. Geopolitics, China tensions, and diversification strategies are driving investments into newer regions. India is actually emerging as a strong alternative, and this move fits that global realignment. Now, of course, for the front page take. Now for the big question. Will this translate into a full semiconductor manufacturing ecosystem? The answer to that is unfolding step by step. But one thing is clear, India is not just participating in the chip race anymore. It is actually building the infrastructure to compete. And this could define the next decade of technology growth. Please do let us know what are your thoughts in the comments below. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the AIM Network. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.